Alright, I'm back, and this time I'm taking a look at the oil pump that I just took off after removing some of the timing gears. I just took a look at an excellent blog post about the pump itself. This is not a very early type, obviously, because it doesn't have the screws, it has bolts. I don't notice a D or DD stamp on this, so I guess I can't tell for sure. It doesn't seem like it's cast iron. Like, this metal to me doesn't seem like it would be iron. It looks more like aluminum or pot metal or something, like, which I think the early pumps were. But if somebody can, sorry, better aim. If somebody can give me another opinion on this, I'd be certainly pleased. You know, you look at the metal that's on the end cap, and that's clearly not aluminum. It doesn't seem to be. And the rest of this, I believe the casing is, or some kind of metal that's not. It's not the most valuable sought after cast iron pumps, that's for sure. So, if this is not a good pump, I will likely just be buying the SRM pump, because I want this thing to be properly oiled. So, looking back to the engine, maybe my light is too bright. There you go. I think I'm not seeing any noticeable side-to-side play on the crankshaft, and really no noticeable end play either. I suppose I'll have to. Somebody talked about levering the crank back and forth. Be happy to do whatever test I should do before things go further. So, I guess questions on how to remove the gear from this shaft. I'm not sure if it's pressed on or if there's a taper. Actually, I'm going to go look at my server's manual. It's probably the best bet. Also, this gear here needs to come off. I'm assuming I need some kind of puller. Alright, well, that's that, and things are a little bit cleaner than last time. I've been trying to neaten things up and take parts away and put them in an orderly fashion up on my bench. And if I can get the primary cover off, then I'll be exploring that side. I probably need to get the heat gun. Some sort of adhesive's been used over there, and it seems pretty firmly stuck in place. But again, looking back to the oil pump, be happy to get opinions on this. I believe the stamp would normally go right in there, and not seeing any signs of it, so not a doweled pump. Just got the cover off using a rubber mallet for a little persuasion to start knocking things loose. There's a little cracking in there, so not sure if that means this is salvageable, because I know if oil gets in there, that's not ideal. I'll get this taken off and have a better look at it. Primary chain has really good tension on it. Notice I can see the tensioner there. Yeah, I'm not sure if there's anything else I can really tell at this point. I'll have to get the alternator, well, what do you call it? Just the generator? I'm not sure. Have to get that off of there, get the clutch opened up, have a look at things in there. I'm pretty sure I want to get this opened and then undo there's a nut in there, right? While the bike's still on the ground. Anyway, well, I mean, this is locked in anyway, so I mean, I can, as long as the chain's on there, that's going to keep it from spinning. Anyway, yeah, like I said on the other side, I got to take a look at the manual a bit too, making sure I'm getting things done in the right order. Alright, thanks for listening.